Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie at home for weight gain. We'll start by understanding the core principles behind a calorie-dense smoothie. The goal is to pack in as many healthy calories as possible without making it too filling or difficult to drink. We'll focus on ingredients that provide sustained energy and support muscle development, ensuring your smoothie is both effective and enjoyable. Now let's talk about the power players for weight gain, calorie-dense ingredients. Start with a base of 1 cup of whole milk or a creamy plant-based alternative. Boost the protein with 1/2 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt. For healthy fats and extra calories, add 1/4 cup of your favorite nut butter. Don't forget 1 whole banana and 1/2 cup of rolled oats for sustained energy. These ingredients are key to a successful weight gain smoothie. To make your smoothie even more effective and delicious, let's add some nutrient and flavor boosters. A single scoop of your preferred protein powder will significantly increase the protein content, aiding muscle recovery. For healthy fats and fiber, toss in 1 tablespoon of chia or flax seeds. 1/2 cup of frozen berries not only adds antioxidants but also a refreshing taste. Finally, a small drizzle of 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup can enhance the sweetness without overdoing it. The final step is blending and enjoying your creation. Combine all your chosen ingredients in a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. If the consistency is too thick, simply add a little more milk until it reaches your desired drinkability. Consume your smoothie right after preparing it to maximize nutrient absorption. For optimal results, try to incorporate 1 to 2 of these calorie-rich smoothies into your daily routine, alongside your regular meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.